Hey Prachi, what do you study?
During the night.
I think there is no time to study.
How?
Listen carefully. There are 365 days in a year. 52 days are Friday and 50 days of summer vacation. Then daily 8 hours sleeping means 122 days. Then 2 hours eating. Daily 2 hours eating means 30 days. 1 hour of talking every day, that makes another 15 days. Then 35 days of exams. Then going to festivals, that takes at least 40 days. Then I'll be sick for 3 days, and 2 days for watching movies and TV serials, and 1 day is left, and that 1 day is my birthday.
Oh my god.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक